Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we will do an unboxing of tada! Degusta Box. Ayan. If you want to see what's inside this box, please keep on watching. Guys, as you see, as I've already told you, I will unbox a Degusta Box. This is my first time of receiving a Degusta Box. I actually got it for $6.99. The original price or the regular price of this one is $19.99. So I used a code that I got from Sweatcoin. If you are interested in downloading the Sweatcoin app, you can click the link below. Ayan. It will lead you to the app. So, yung Sweatcoin apps, it actually converts your steps to Sweatcoins. Cash. So, I use that cash into buying this Degusta Box. So, the initial purchase of this one is $6.99. But the regular price, or if I continue subscribing to this Degusta Box, it will be $19.99 monthly. So let's see if it is worth it. If it's not worth it, I might not continue to subscribe to this box or to this company. But if it's worth it, I probably would continue subscribing. So the Degusta Box is a box full of foods. I don't really have any idea what are the foods inside this box. So let's see. It's a little bit heavy. So let's see kung ano yung mga nandito. Are you ready?
Oh, yeah!
Let's grab my scissor. Ayan. So, open natin, guys. Ayan. So, we're already opening the box. Ayan. So, it says here, for November box, they say that there is a Popcorn Indiana, the Grand Belgian Specialties, Chiquipea, Pearson Candy Company, Bush's Best. There is also a Wholesome Goodness, Bodoku, if I pronounce it right. Then there are Popcorners and Nutiva Gift. So yun yung mga laman. Those are the what's inside these boxes. So let's see. Let's see if it will be worth it. Okay, so they have also a coupon where you can use if you buy Popcorners in the store. I think this is available in any stores. Ayan, guys. So, first item is the Popcorn Indiana. Ayan. So, it's a black and wine drizzle popcorn. Drizzle corn. I'm actually not a fan of popcorn. Ang favorite popcorn ko is Garrett's. But, let's see if this will taste like Garrett's or maybe better. I love Garrett's talaga, but maybe me and my husband could enjoy this. Next is Holiday Party MVP Mini Panettone. Mini Panettone, or ano bang pronunciation nito? I did not check. So, tignan natin. Yan. So, that's the Mini Panettone. I don't know what is this. It's probably a, it's just a bread. Ayan. Let's see. May pagkain ng asawa ko. Next is the Popcorners. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4 Popcorners. We have kettle corn. Actually, same flavors lang siya. 4 of it. Next is coconut patties minis. Ayan. My husband doesn't eat coconut, so I probably would eat this. This is for me. And it's gluten-free. Gluten-free siya, guys. So, next is, what is this? Bush's black beans. Uy, pwede to. Bush's black beans. Kung magpo-focus. Ayan. Bush's black bean. So, you can use this sa taco or anything. So, yan. Medyo mahal to, guys. Kaya pwede na siya. Next is Goodness Tuxedo Mix. Ayan. So, mga mix lang to ng mga beans siguro. Gluten-free too. It's gluten-free and it's simply naturally delicious. It's just mix of it's mix of beans. So, wholesome goodness. Ayan, mga mix lang siya ng mga beans. Ayan. Tuxedo Mix. So, yan siya. Maliit lang siya, guys. Next is Chickpea. So, yan. Chickpea Mac and Classic Cheddar. So, mac and cheese classic cheddar. Organic. I love organic. You know, guys, that I love organic so much. So, yan. Masaya na ako when I get organic and gluten-free products. So, yan. Chickpea. It's pasta with 2 ingredients. Real organic cheese and high in fiber. Ayan siya, guys. Next is Nutriva Coconut Oil. Ayan, Nutriva Coconut Oil. So, we have virgin coconut oil. We have refined coconut oil. And we have buttery flavor. So, ayan siya. Next is mint patties. Ayan. I love actually mint flavor. Baka magustuhan ko to. I love mint. So, it's original flavor and it's also gluten-free. Yay! Next is Grand Assorted Pralines. Ayan, from the kingdom of Belgium. Ayan. So, may chocolate tayo, guys. Umay na ako sa tsokolate, pero sige lang. Ayan. Yay! Degusta Box. Yun lang ang laman, guys, sa aking Degusta Box for this month of November. So, I paid like $19.99. I guess it's worth it because ito lang, medyo mahal tong mga to. And it's probably worth it. I'm not sure about the retail price of these items. So guys, we are now done unboxing my Degusta Box for the month of November 2018. Thank you guys for watching my video, and if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and click that notification bell so that you will be updated to whatever uploads I may do in the future. So yun lang, guys, for today, and I hope you enjoy this video. See you on my next video. Bye bye.